How do you view yourself? What sets you apart? What guides your decisions? And what do you value? All are questions which encompass and identify your sense of self and who you are. For your sense of self is your mental mirror, reflecting how you feel, think, and judge yourself. It is your perception of how you view success, failure, and your overall purpose. For having a poor sense of self and a loud, persistent critic can tear down your confidence and leave you feeling hopeless. However, processing a strong sense of self allows you to trust your abilities, judgments, and your choices. It allows you to be your own person and to hold true to your values, regardless of what people say or do, or what they believe you should do. For strong people have a strong sense of self and self-awareness and don't need the approval of others. So start your journey within. Build your sense of self. Be comfortable in your own skin and make decisions that align with them. Thank you for viewing our inspirational video and feel good. But don't forget to subscribe and remember, you attract the right things when you have a sense of who you are.